To show the app screen icon on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra Home screen, long tap on an empty area on your home screen, and then tap Setting. Scroll down the screen, and then tap the gray on-off switch next to Show App Screen button on home screen until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see the result, go back to your home screen. As you can see, now your phone displays the app screen icon on your home screen. You can tap this icon to go to the app screen where you can find all apps you install on your phone. As a note, when you show the app screen icon on your home screen, you can still access the app screen by swiping up your home screen like this. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.